Alright, so the Chinese-built AI app DeepSeek seems to have taken the tech world by storm. It has certainly demolished the market value of a number of tech giants, US-based tech giants, Nvidia being top of it, one of the largest chip makers in the world. Its market value was destroyed by 500 billion just in one trading session.
China just shocked the AI world overnight with its new AI tool called DeepSeek. And people say it might even replace ChatGPT. But is that just a hype, or could DeepSeek really be a game changer? In this video, comparing these two most trending AI tools on the market right now. You might have heard the hype around both, but how do they really stack up in our everyday life? Or could AI like this help us work smarter and create new job opportunities faster than we expect? To know this, watch the video till the end. First off, let's clarify what these tools are all about. At their core, ChatGPT and DeepSeek are built very differently. ChatGPT uses a traditional transformer model, meaning it processes all of its knowledge every time it generates a response. This makes it great and consistent for understanding concepts, making it ideal for conversational AI, creative writing, and research assistance. DeepSeek, on the other hand, uses a mixture of experts model. Instead of using all of its knowledge at once, it only activates the necessary parts of its brain for given task. This makes it faster and more efficient, especially when handling coding, logic-based problem solving, and math-related queries. If you are a developer, this is where things get really interesting. ChatGPT is great for explaining concepts, debugging codes, and providing well-structured answers, but DeepSeek does something different. DeepSeek doesn't just give you the answer, it shows you its thought process. Before giving a response, it thinks through the problem step by step, making it more like an actual mentor rather than just an answer generator. Let's say you want to build a simple snake game. Instead of spending hours watching tutorials or searching for coding guides, you can ask DeepSeek R1 to break down the logic for you step by step. It won't just give you the final code, it will first outline the entire thought process behind it. It will explain how the game mechanics work, how to handle movement, collisions, and scoring, all before writing a single line of code. Now imagine you want to generate something more complex, like a React component for swipe mechanics in a dating app. Instead of reading a long tutorial on how React handles state, event listeners, and animations, you can simply ask DeepSeek to generate the component. But more importantly, before giving you the code, it will walk you through its reasoning, explaining why it structures the component a certain way, how it manages state, and which method it uses to track swipes. This is what makes DeepSeek stand out. It doesn't just give you the answer, it teaches you how to think like a developer. By focusing on logic and problem solving, DeepSeek helps you to understand the why behind every piece of code. So you are not just copying and pasting, you are actually learning how to build and troubleshoot from scratch. And in ChatGPT, for example, if you need to write a blog post on best morning routines for productivity, ChatGPT can generate a full outline, key talking points, and even engaging headlines. If you are preparing for a business presentation on AI trends, ChatGPT can summarize complex reports, pull key insights, and structure your speech in a clear, professional way. Need content ideas for social media? Ask ChatGPT for catchy Instagram captions or Twitter thread ideas, and it will provide multiple creative suggestions instantly. Even for everyday tasks, whether it's meal planning for the week, drafting a formal email, or coming up with gift ideas, ChatGPT simplifies the process and saves your time. Now let's talk about accessibility and cost. ChatGPT follows a freemium model. You get limited access for free, but if you want GPT-4, you will have to pay. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is open source and free, meaning anyone can use and modify it. That makes it an incredible choice for students, developers, or businesses that want AI without a paywall. However, this also means DeepSeek may not be as refined or user-friendly as ChatGPT in some areas. It requires more technical knowledge to use effectively, while ChatGPT is super beginner-friendly, perfect if you just want an quick AI help without much stand-up. Another important factor is privacy. ChatGPT follows a strict data protection standards, making it a safer choice for businesses dealing with sensitive information. DeepSeek being open source, giving you more flexibility but less transparency on how data is handled. If privacy is your biggest concern, then ChatGPT might be the better choice. Go with ChatGPT if you need a versatile, easy to use AI for writing, learning, and general problem solving. Go with DeepSeek if you are a developer, technical user, or someone looking for a powerful, cost-effective AI for coding or logic-based tasks. So what do you think? Which AI would you pick? Let me know in the comment section. And if this breakdown helped, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.